Innovation is not just a goal, it is a way of shaping our future. At Sabancı University, we are building a research and education ecosystem that bridges science, industry, and sustainability. We believe universities should not only produce knowledge, but also transform it into solutions that serve society, industry, and the environment. By integrating science, technology, and society, we create an innovative ecosystem for a sustainable future. From advanced materials and manufacturing technologies to energy systems, and from digital transformation to entrepreneurship and social impact, our research delivers tangible solutions that address urgent global challenges.
With strong industry partnership and state-of-the-art infrastructure, we ensure that research quickly turns into real-world solutions. A cornerstone of our ecosystem is the Sabancı University Integrated Manufacturing Technologies Research and Application Center, where academia and industry collaborate on advanced composites, additive manufacturing, digital twins, and smart production systems, supporting sectors such as aerospace, automotive, and defense. Our efforts also extend to clean energy and nanotechnology through centers like Nanotechnology Research and Application Center. Beyond technical excellence, we focus on societal impact. With initiatives like Sukul and Innovent, we turn research into startups and innovative businesses, amplifying our contribution to economic growth and sustainability.
Sustainability and innovation are at the core of our vision. We are pioneering solutions in clean energy, advanced materials, and energy conversion and storage technologies, addressing global challenges in climate change and energy security. Our focus spans green hydrogen, fuel cells, electrolyzers, and next-generation battery systems. By pushing the boundaries of electrochemistry and nanotechnology, we develop high-performance catalysts, membranes, and electrodes that will power tomorrow's clean energy transition, laying the foundation for a sustainable energy future. Supported by the state-of-the-art facilities at Sabancı University Nanotechnology Research and Application Center, we transform fundamental research into real-world solutions, bridging academia, industry, and society.
At Sabancı University, we align our research and education with SDG 9. We deliver scalable solutions for a low-carbon industry by raising the TRL of composite structures, designed under circular economy principles and sustainable nanoengineering. As the climate crisis intensifies and transport decarbonization accelerates, industry needs lightweight, reusable, and recyclable materials. Our focus is the development of circular thermoplastic composites enabled by the sustainable nanoengineering of graphene and other 2D nanomaterials. Using a patented thermochemical process, we upcycle PET, polypropylene, mixed plastic streams, and end-of-life tires into graphene and 2D nanomaterials, and then integrate these waste-derived carbons into polymers as reinforcement for lightweight, functional composite manufacturing. We demonstrate impact through industry-led pilots that meet OEM specifications. In automotive, we reformulate materials already used in serial production by integrating recycled graphene and recycled and natural fibers, achieving at least 10% weight reduction. In aerospace, we replace metals and thermosets with recyclable, lightweight, and thermoplastic composites that deliver superior thermal management and high performance.
Our group contributes to major international initiatives, including EU Graphene Flagship, where we advance frontier catalyst materials for hydrogen technologies. Currently, we play a key role in Turkey's first Hydrogen Valley project, a transformative initiative designed to build clean hydrogen infrastructure, boost regional economies and reinforce energy security. But this is more than a technological venture, it's a promise to future generations. At Sabancı University, we believe science is not only about discovery, it is about creating technologies that protect our planet and empower our societies.
We are delivering actionable solutions to today's most urgent global challenges. We offer a multidimensional approach that is both academic and practical. This is where knowledge becomes impact. This is Sabancı University.